Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you have revised previous topic of chapter Interior of the Earth. Let's recall definition of rock. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust is called a rock. Today we will learn types of rocks. There are three types of rocks. First is igneous rock, sedimentary rocks, and third one is metamorphic rocks. First of all, igneous rocks. The word igneous is derived means is taken from a Latin word ignis means fire. It is formed by the cooling and solidification of the molten lava means when volcanic eruption is done, then the molten lava come out from its mouth, cool down and solidified, then igneous rock is formed. The red hot molten material inside the earth is called magma. During a volcanic eruption, magma comes out from the interior of the earth to its surface, which is called lava, and lava then form igneous rock after cooling and solidification. These rocks are also called primary rocks, means these are the main rocks. These are the starting of all rocks. They make up 85% or more of the earth's crust. Means earथ की जो crust है वो किससे बनी हुई है? Igneous rock से, because it covers 85%. These rocks occur in large shapeless masses. Means large shapeless without any shape masses क्या बनाते हैं? Igneous rock. These are crystalline in structure, means these are divided into crystals. They lack in fossils. Fossil means the deposited of plants and animals. They are very hard in texture. Examples of igneous rock are basalt, dolerite, and granite. Now, on the basis of the solidification of lava, these can be divided into two groups. Means igneous rock can be divided into two groups. First is intrusive igneous rock and second is extrusive igneous rock. First is intrusive igneous rock. When the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth's crust, the इंट्रोसिव इग्नियस रॉक ओरिजिनेटेड में जब मोल्टन मैग्मा बिल्कुल डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ क्रस्ट में कूल डाउन होता है तब इंट्रोसिव इग्नियस रॉक ओरिजिनेट होती है एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड प्लूटोनिक. Example of intrusive is granite rock. Second is extrusive igneous rock. When the molten lava comes on the earth surface, जब ये अर्थ की सरफेस के ऊपर आ जाता है, it cools down and becomes solid to form rock. That then it is called extrusive igneous rock or volcanic rock. Example is basalt. Next is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary word is derived from a Latin word sedimentum, means settle down of rocks. These rocks are formed by the sediments of other rocks which were broken down through action of various weathering agents such as running water, wind, etc. means जब डिफरेंट दूसरी रॉक्स ब्रोक डाउन होती हैं यानी कि तेज हवाओं के चलने से, पानी के बहने से, तो जो रॉक्स जब क्या होती है ब्रोक डाउन हो जाती हैं, देन इट ओरिजिनेट सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. व्हेन रॉक्स रोल डाउन, क्रैक्स आ जाते हैं उसमें एंड हिट ईच अदर एंड आर ब्रोकन इनटू स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स, सभी छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स में डिवाइड हो जाती हैं, विच आर कॉल्ड सेडिमेंट्स और स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स. These sediments transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. टू फॉर्म लेयर्स ऑफ रॉक्स। फिर ये जो सेडिमेंट्स है, स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स हैं, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं, डिपॉजिट हो जाते हैं। क्या कैसे डिपॉजिट होते हैं? हवाएं उनको उड़ा ले जाती हैं या फिर वाटर के साथ वो बह के डिफरेंट टाइप्स की फॉर्म क्या बनाती हैं? वो लेयर्स बनाती हैं। The sediments are deposited in different layers or strata, so also called stratified rocks, क्योंकि sedimentary rocks में different layers हो जाती हैं, that's why it is also called stratified rocks. Examples of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, chalk, dolerite, etc. These rocks are rich in fossil, means fossil fuels we can find in sedimentary rocks. Now third type of rock is metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic word is derived from a Greek word metamorphosis, means change to form. जब क्या होती है, rocks की form change हो जाती है तो metamorphic rocks बन जाती हैं. The rocks that have been changed from their original form, means जो उनका ओरिजिनल रूप होता है, आकार होता है, उससे चेंज हो जाती हैं. क्यों चेंज होती हैं? ड्यू टू प्रेशर एंड हीट. जब एक्सेसिव प्रेशर पड़ता है उन पे और हीट होती है तो क्या बन जाती है? उनकी ओरिजिनल फॉर्म से चेंज होके वो क्या बन जाती है? मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. To form the metamorphic rocks, the igneous and sedimentary rocks get changed under great heat and pressure. Means as we have learned two types of rocks earlier, igneous and sedimentary, when they change their form, then metamorphic rocks originate. The process which forms metamorphic rocks take place over long period of time. Means metamorphic rocks बनने के लिए बहुत लंबा टाइम लग जाता है. As here is a one diagram for changes like igneous rock change into metamorphic rock. Igneous granite change into gneiss, basalt in schist, coal in graphite. Means these igneous rock after due to heat and great pressure change into metamorphic rocks. Same some sedimentary rocks change into metamorphic rocks, which like sandstone change into quartzite, limestone change into marble, clay change into slate. Means igneous and sedimentary rocks due to a great heat and pressure change into metamorphic rocks. Now next topic is usefulness of rocks, means how rocks are useful for us. Rocks are used for making buildings, roads, bridges, etc. We can use rocks in many games also. Another usefulness is potash and phosphate are used as resource of chemical, means potash is used as a chemical which we get from rock. Now next is rock cycle. As you have learnt, water cycle, same process occur or same cycle in the rocks also. First देखते हैं हम. The igneous rocks when exposed to weather change give birth to the sedimentary rocks. Means igneous rock क्योंकि प्राइमरी रॉक्स हैं, जब वेदर चेंजेस होते हैं तो वो स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स में डिवाइड होके सेडिमेंट्स बन जाती हैं, इनमें सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स बन जाती हैं. When the sedimentary or igneous rock are exposed to excessive heat and pressure, they undergo a change and form a new rock, which is often known as metamorphic rocks. Same, जब sedimentary और igneous rock के ऊपर बहुत सारा प्रेशर और हीट पड़ती है तो उनमें उनकी जो ओरिजिनल फॉर्म है उसमें चेंजेस आते हैं. चेंज आके मेल्ट होके वो दोबारा एक नई रॉक बना लेते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक. This continuous cycle of change of one type of rock to another type means again metamorphic rock weathering condition से melt होती है, again lava, magma, then sediments, then again metamorphic. This continuous cycle of rocks changing their form, that is called a rock cycle. I hope it is clear. Now next and last topic is usefulness of minerals, means how minerals are useful for us. Minerals are very important for the advancement of mankind, means in our daily life we use different types of minerals. They give us advancement, means they provide quality life. They are used in our day-to-day life, like pencils as we use, slate, computer, etc. They are used in producing a number of things like pencils, sunglasses, slates, cars, etc. एल्युमिनियम से बनती है गाड़ी और वो क्या है, एक मिनरल है. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are used as fuel, means coal mineral है, petroleum, natural gas, they are minerals and we use them to as a fuel, ईंधन के रूप में उनको यूज किया जाता है. Minerals provide us with precious stones like diamond, silver, gold, etc. Iron, aluminium, uranium are used in industries. Minerals are used in the field of medicines and fertilizers. Also, means this usefulness shows that minerals are very important for our life. Now your homework again is to revise these topics and try to learn. Thank you and be safe.